phone has display of 515 ppi, dynamic AMOLED 2x display on 3200 by 1440 pixels resolution. The phone also has WQHD Plus resolution. It has quad rear camera setup, main camera 108MP plus ultra-wide 12MP dual pixel camera plus tele 13x 10MP dual pixel camera plus tele 2 10x 10MP dual pixel camera. It has 40MP front facing camera, 6.8 inch. It has 16 meters colors, 12 GB RAM, 256 GB internal storage and expandable memory up to 1 TB. It supports dual SIM, Nano plus Nano, and dual standby, 4G plus 4G. It runs on Android Pie v10.0 operating system. It is powered by 2.9 GHz Exynos 2100 octa-core processor. It also features rear camera, dual _SIM and camera.